Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to today's show, Face the Nation GH. Trending issues and rebuilding Ghana. Once more, let me begin with the odd. Even though it's unfortunate, said there are a lot of issues and can come but it seems to be said the rate at which are covered now get it to Africans, especially in Ghana. No? It's like we have to give much attention to it. So today, trending, rebuilding Ghana, and we have to focus on the health of the people again. All right, once more, trending issues, very quick. Welcome you be now. Share some of the issues are popping up. I say from Franklin Kujo, no right-thinking person will put up their sister for cross-examination by Chachuchikata. Can I answer a question to you one at a time from Chachuchikata, ex Supreme Court judge? Koko Enyidewu will suspend. Oh, NDC suspend Koko Enyidewu. I mean, it's been a long time. It's about that time. I say Komaya did that. Now, you share another issue. COVID-19. Speaker suspend Parliament or parliamentary proceedings for 3 weeks, even though it's almost pending vetting EBA for the selection of the ministers. I think it's in the right direction. You see. And the main topic, we'll talk about that. From Haruna Idrusu, vetting of ministers designate begins tomorrow. Stop soldiers from bodyguard duties, minority to Akufo-Addo. I think it's a sad day we are addressing this issue for a very long time, but I don't know why it's still. It sounds so so discusses sad day. See, because I learned that from one security expert. Our analysis, say per the law, we are not supposed to deploy the military on those civic duties, unless there's a state of emergency. And there's another school of thought that say people believe that life is in danger. But I think these are civil duties. Police should be able to do this. I mean, I don't want to go so much into it. From a park, also my idea for Parliament to shut down was not crazy after all. I mean, I side with him because it's about time to say you see a bit normal virtual. Because I don't know, close contact with a lot of people and they spread it. You can't see the kufia not share among the family members. That is the issue. But court to decide Jim Benson's fate Thursday. I think it's just gonna be a big issue for Ghana Supreme Court to come out. Whether somebody show more discretionary powers or not. Whether Jim Benson will testify. I know your analysis for Asadi, but this professor from Florida, Kwakwasare, some great analysis, right, in regards to this particular issue. I commend him how he tell his civil procedure, the public interest, the need for the EC chairperson or serve public interest in TSC money testify, And I think looking at what happened today at Ghana Supreme Court, it's clearly said the first respondent and the second respondent, they didn't get closer to move direct judgment, seeing decide one case and in a way to prevent them from. But Ghana Supreme Court assures by Thursday only decision. If not, that is going to be the next step. Okay, from Akotoampao, petitioner can compel us to be in witness box. I think it's the same Supreme Court issue. EC work. Not tabletop shop. Lawyer Amaliba reacts to J. Mensah's refusal to take witness stand. From Efia Pokuya, Ghanaian journalist, I say, EC chair should go into witness box and allay all doubts. Yes, I agree with her because about clear nyoma be brave. Police arrest armed robbery gang. Ghana insecurity there. I don't even know how. This gentleman, anytime there an issue, no, I don't know. I find it very difficult to even express my take on him. To me, it's very sad. Sebi, a member of parliament, on one MPs no crano, who had the power or more yet to bring justice to the family and the society. JB Dankwa, may he so rest in perfect peace. It's been 5 years, there hasn't been any justice. Similar thing applies to this gentleman. What's his name? This media guy, a nice boy, you know. Also, justice. Ahmed Swale. Yes, Ahmed Swale so justice. And this military officer and so are mob action. Also, the same thing happened to him. Also, justice. Security analyst Adam Bona also indict or exonerate Howard Kumsin. Adam Bona tasked police to release that report. I believe it's too early. No NDC member in his right senses will contest His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. That's the preparation towards the 2024 general elections. I think so right now, no, NDC should just focus on on the election petition. They shouldn't even, one step at a time. Another issue so I only a show honey. Let's see, because who said Rasmu Baraki teammates and they want to contest Council of State membership. I don't know. I don't know how that is also going to play out. According to Acheampong, EC has an obligation to account to Ghanaians anomalies. All right, let's get into the trending issues. And the rebuilding Ghana, let's back to this. You see, we should not deny the facts public gatherings and their cause COVID. No. Even though government not taking certain measures, it doesn't seem so drastic. But it get to a point that the citizens and they are not disciplined enough. The government will be forced to lock down the country. I don't think you're lucky Ghanaians. Even though Ghanaians seems to be very spirited people, but looking at our situation in there, they have to comply. I saw almost the freedom between change. No more almost listen to more governance now. Because the thing is, so go fight free outside bar. Who be infected or family members and so. Yeah. So selection of ministers bay. Okay. Who bring them together and likely sir almost about to share COVID now among themselves. Yes. Sada because we share after Rollins new wound. Coffin running here and I then sounds so spiky. A lot of people so I almost research I indicated clearly said during the festivity year Christmas, year Easter, Christmas and New Year, any elections, and the Ghana COVID rate number, and also a spiky man numbers and also cost review. Sadly, the same thing I seeing. So parliamentary proceedings, it's about time so yeah, just see home. You started believing in adoption. Say, this is the situation we are in. And then about 60% of certain administrative work, virtual, people are working from home. So our personal contact, create. I mean, you can be your contact or vetting proceeding amount. So easy. You know, start use Zoom. I bet you saw the panel on the crime be use Zoom for conferences. It's better say I don't after 3 weeks and it doesn't solve the problem unless you agree now you change your mindset. Say, I adapted the kind of technology as some of the people in advanced countries, because you panel be fan of the any bar, likely you said the banner so the book you be. And at school, with immediate effect, government should reconsider the decision because look. Who save you be life much more important than say who allow just nipa na amana ko school. I mean nipa no lose just a semester now say 2 semesters or just a year in school that's all good health. It's far better. They put your plans on hold purposely because of this COVID because there's no guarantee. And lastly, we encourage the government say almost expedited with the purchase and distribution of the vaccine because right now about 4 companies, Pfizer has come out, Moderna has come out, and these are countries United States government and financial. To share Pfizer and Moderna, even though take 2 shots for DNO, and still it gives you about 95% security. Now there's another company in almost stepping in. Johnson & Johnson, so Ababontin. I mean, they are the 85%. Hopefully, say FDA more approval. Even it's not an emergency approval, but an approval. Let's see how that also plays out. So you bring Pfizer, you bring Moderna, you bring Johnson & Johnson. And there's another company called, is it Novax? Novax and so Edom vaccine Abba. You see, normal saying as a government, they show proactiveness. So very sensitive to the needs of the people. Now, help citizens because you see, Ghana for be brave enya, but because testing rate is low. Normal government also coming out, no encouraging people to embark on testing. That will also help with this situation. On this, I will just say a big thank you to everybody. Now, I'll share.